Take that ribbon from your hair, shake it loose and let it fall. Lay it soft against your skin, like the shadows on the wall. Come and lay down by my side till the early morning light. All I'm taking is your time. Help me make it through the night. You can sing this. I don't care what's right or wrong. I will try to understand. Let the devil take tomorrow. For tonight I need a friend. Yesterday is dead and gone, but tomorrow's out of sight. Ain't it sad to be alone? Help me make it through the night. Right or wrong, I will try to understand. Let the devil take tomorrow. For tonight I need a friend. Yesterday is dead and gone, and tomorrow's out of sight. Ain't it sad to be alone? Help me make it through the night. I don't want to be alone. Help me make it through the night. Ain't it sad to be alone? Help me make it through the night. Thank you, that's it. Finished. No, just doing one for my t-shirt. That's all I said I'd do. Actually, I want to do this one. My sister's here. Emma King, that's my sister. She's my older sister. She's the oldest in the family. Yeah. She's not well. I can't guarantee you'll be around very much longer. She's very sick. But I'm 6'7", and she is the oldest in our family. She's 4'0". Right? And there's this, I just want very quickly, there's this thing. You know you're in deep trouble when she starts whispering. Right? Because there's a difference between Russell versus Russell, come here. Right? Because when she says that, and the last time she said that, I was about 12, and she said, if you don't come here now, I will stab you. And I have listened ever since. Here you go. Say something, I'm giving up on you. I'll be the one if you want me to. Anywhere I would have followed you. Say something, I'm giving up on you. And I'm feeling so small. It was over my head. I know nothing at all. And I'll stumble and fall. I'm still learning to love. Just starting to crawl. Say something, I'm giving up on you. I'm sorry that I couldn't get to you. Anywhere I would have followed you. Say something, I'm giving up on you. And I will swallow my pride. You're the one that I love. And I'm saying goodbye. Say something, I'm giving up on you. I'm sorry I couldn't get to you. And anywhere I would have followed you. Say something, I'm giving up on you. Say something. Say something, yeah. I thought someone walked on stage because I was walking that way. You and me, we made a vow, for better or for worse. I can't believe you let me down, but the bruise in the way it hurts. For months on end I've had my doubts, denying every fear. I wish this would be over now, but I know that I still need you here. You say I'm crazy, 'cause you don't think I know what you've done. But when you call me, baby, I know I'm not unavailable. Now sadly I know why. Your heart is unobtainable, even though Lord knows you got mine. You say I'm crazy, 'cause you don't think I know what you've done. But when you call me baby, I know I'm not the only one. Hey, I have loved you for many years, baby. Maybe I am just not enough. You've made me realize my deepest fears, baby, by lying and tearing us up. You say I'm crazy, 'cause you don't think I know what you've done. But when you call me baby, I know I'm not the only one. You say I'm crazy, 'cause you don't think I know what you've done. But when you call me baby, I know I'm not the only one. I know I'm not the only one. I know I'm not the only one. And I know, and I know, and I know, and I know, and I know. I know I'm not the only one. I remember one time I went to a whānau doing matawaia, and I was the only one that could do the drive-in to do the alcohol run to Moeroa. I know that's funny. Yeah. And then my Uncle Sam, he had whānau. His his brother used to live in a Kirikiri behind the movie theatre, the Ipiha whānau. Right? I went there and I watched this movie. You know the movie Grease with Olivia Newton-John and I got chills, they're multiplying. You know that song? Well, not that song. Shut up. No. It's the love ballad from that movie. Do you know that one? All right, because I want to sing it. I know that there are the seats here, and then we have the VIPs right at the back there by the on the veranda. All right, this is for you. If you know the words, just join in. It's that lovely song from that movie. I think this will be my last one as well. I mean it too much, but guess mine is not the first heartbroken. My eyes are not the first to cry. Not the first to know. It's just no getting over you. You know, I'm just a fool who's willing to sit around and wait for you. Baby, can't you see? There's nothing else for me to do. I'm hopelessly devoted to you. Here you go, you can join in now. Here we go. But now there's, since you pushed my love aside, I'm out of my head, hopelessly devoted, hopelessly head is saying, fool, forget him. My heart is saying, don't let go. Hold on to the end. That's what I intend to do. Our first dancers for the evening. Hopelessly devoted. Don't forget, 5-3-5-3 to make sure they get through to the next round. But now there's nowhere to hide since you pushed my love aside. I'm out of my head, hopelessly devoted to you, hopelessly devoted to you. Ooh, hopelessly devoted to you. I think you go through to the next round. There's a couple on the side, thank you. And that just looked lonely. But I appreciate your effort. You should go through too as well. That's it. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon. We've got some great talent coming up. Thank you.